In this lesson, we will learn about utilizing the functions we have created and using them at the sheet level. As we have discussed before, when you create a function within VBA, you're able to access its abilities throughout the sheet level, as well as through the developer console. When you've created a function and want to be able to let others know what you're doing with it, you can do so with the following. One method that you can use is adding the n with a string of comment attached, which will not affect your formula but will provide you with a comment within your formula bar that you can read to help explain what your function is doing. Another method that you can use below is the actual comment tool, which you can find through Review and then New Comment. This will provide you with a comment when the mouse is placed over the cell. While it is tempting to only use the functions within the sheet level, there exists a large downside to doing so, which is the inability to integrate it within the sheet level to your code. The biggest strength of functions is the ability to dynamically integrate them within your module, and this option is simply not available within the spreadsheet environment. Generally speaking, unless your function is quite simple, it is much more effective when combining it within VBA and integrating it into a larger scale program. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.